Someone had said, life begins at the end of your comfort zone. I feel this every time I travel, and maybe this is the reason I love traveling. It makes me feel alive. So make sure you subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out any updates. Also, there's a lot more coming up, so stay connected.
Hey there guys, welcome back to One to Capture. So it's around 7 AM and it's day 4. Yesterday we couldn't really vlog, so I'll tell you what happened yesterday. Yesterday we couldn't vlog because we were so busy in the transfers from one place to another and with the activities here. So I'll tell you what happened in here very briefly. So we started off from Shillong Police Bazaar around 10 in the morning. We had breakfast and then we took a cab which cost us around 1500 for two directly to Shnongpdeng. Now you might find cabs a bit more pricey because we actually had merged with another person who was coming to Dawki, so it had cost us less. So usually the taxis are around 2,500 or 3,000 even sometimes. Now coming to this place, the roads were awesome via traveling from Shillong to Dawki. It was amazing, so beautiful. I mean, like, so clean, so beautiful. Like, the skies kept changing because we were coming down to almost a plain. And Shillong was cloudy, then it became clearer. Now let's talk about this place. I am staying at this place called Gawooh Adventure. Like they've set up tents here and also they have homestays. But then homestay wasn't available, so I went for the tent. Our tent is a bigger one for 3 people because we have like 2 big rucksacks. So it cost us around 1,200 for a night. Coming to the place, Dawki is a much more popular place, but Shnongpdeng is an offbeat attraction because Shnongpdeng is a bit far from Dawki, around half an hour or 40 minutes. It took us around half an hour to get here from Dawki. Now after we reached, we got our tent and we kept our bags, had lunch. After we finished our lunch, they asked if we wanted to go for boating. Well, obviously we came to Shnongpdeng, but we won't go boating. How can that even be possible? So we went boating, and once we finished boating, they asked us if we wanted to go for a swim. We were like, yeah, fine, why not? But who knew that they would take us to a secret pool which also has a waterfall. So they took us there. We had to climb some rocks and go there. Like the water was so crystal clear, it was clean. Now after we finished boating, swimming, we were coming back, and while on our way back we saw so many locals fishing. Actually, fishing is a big thing here. Once we came back from the boating ride, we took a bit of rest, and it was around 8 in the night when the person from Gawooh Adventure asked us if we wanted to join some other fellow travelers by the river. We said, yeah, why not? We met a lot of solo travelers, a lot of travelers who met together and came here together. These are the experiences traveling gives us actually. meeting people from other countries, other states. It's an amazing thing actually to interchange the views, values and whatnot. And around 10 we had dinner and called it a day because we were really tired from the rock climbing and things. So yeah, that's what happened yesterday.
You can also follow me on Instagram to get daily updates. My handle is wanted to capture. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. My handle is wanted to capture.